Brio Under-Sink Reverse Osmosis System is NSF 42, 53, and 58, certified to remove chlorine, lead, and cysts, and offers a fast flow rate with dual output option. However, the installation instructions are incorrect and vague, and you'll need to install a pressure reducer separately if your incoming water pressure is over 58 pounds per square inch. So in this video, we are analyzing Brio Under-Sink RO on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of use to help you decide if it's really worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. The Brio Tankless RO uses a 4-stage filtration process. The first stage is a non-woven polypropylene sediment filter that removes sand, dirt, and rust particles. The second stage uses coconut shell carbon fiber to reduce chlorine, chemical contaminants, and unpleasant odors. The third stage is the reverse osmosis membrane itself, which removes heavy metals, PFAS, and other harmful TDS. The final stage is a carbon block filter that polishes the water and removes any residual contaminants before it reaches your glass. Their filter performance is NSF, certified for standards 42, 53, and 58, and confirmed by numerous customer reports. Users in places with high incoming water TDS confirm significant TDS reduction after filtration. However, you can't use the Brio system on raw well water before necessary pre-filtration. Now let's talk about water flow rate and design. The Brio system offers a flow rate of 0.53 gallons per minute or 800 gallons per day, dispensing a full cup of water in under 8 seconds. However, you may need to install a pressure reducer separately if your incoming water pressure is more than 58 pounds per square inch. Brio claims a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio, meaning for every gallon of purified water, about half a gallon goes to waste. This is better than most tank-based systems, although the system does suffer from TDS creep if not used for long periods. One interesting design feature here is the dual output faucet option, where the left side can dispense non-RO filtered water for washing dishes, while the right side provides fully purified RO water for drinking. Overall, build quality is solid and durable, with the tankless design taking only 30% of under-sink space. Now let's head over to ease of installation. The Brio Under-Sink system is simple to install. You'll need a power outlet under your sink and make plumbing modifications just like most RO systems. You'll also need to cut a hole in your countertop for the RO faucet. But the labels in the user manual are incorrect, steps are incomplete, and you need to drill the hole and connect the system in a place where the instructions specifically warned not to drill. So it's better to hire a professional installer who understands how to properly use quick connect fittings. Once installed correctly, it's easy to use. Every time you turn on the RO faucet, the built-in LCD display shows the TDS level of your incoming unfiltered water and filtered water within a couple of seconds. There is also a filter life indicator displayed as a percentage, so you can easily track when it's time to replace the cartridges. With that, let's head over to ease of maintenance. The system only uses 2 replacement cartridges, which you can replace with a simple twist and turn. The combined sediment and carbon filter needs replacement every 6 to 12 months, while the RO membrane lasts around 12 to 24 months, depending on water quality and usage. Annual maintenance costs range from about $146 to $291, which is comparable to other tankless systems. Finally, let's analyze warranty and customer support. Brio offers a standard 1-year warranty on the system. Customer support experiences are mixed. Many users report unsatisfactory responses, especially related to the installation confusion, but some did get helpful assistance, so take a note of that too. So with all said and done, here's our key takeaway. Brio Under-Sink RO offers decent filtration with fast flow rate and useful features like a dual output faucet option. However, issues like incorrect installation instructions, need for a separate pressure reducer, and inconsistent support can become a deal breaker. Have you used Brio Under-Sink systems? Tell me your experiences in the comments below. And for 3 best under-sink water filter systems in 2026, check out this video next.